Hi, Jason Gaston here, the Freedom Flipper with a rehabbing quick tip. So I want to show you a way to save money. A lot of people will look at these doors that are stained and kind of messed up, and they'll assume they gotta replace the door. Instead of replacing the door, many times they can be sanded and painted, and they'll look like brand new. And then also to make it look brand new, we're also in these older houses, especially when you have like gold or things that are colors are not popular in your hardware, then we just change the hardware, the doorknobs, and the hinges to a color that's more modern style for now, like a brushed nickel type thing. So what we do is we would take the door off, sand it, repaint it, and put new brushed nickel hardware so it looks fresh and clean, but also with a new modern style hinges and doorknob. So that's a rehabbing quick tip. Before you stop watching the video, click on the link below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also in the description below this video, you can go to freedomflippingacademy.com, to our website, and you can get our video series, $0 to $25,000 in 14 days flipping houses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.